Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to place a stop versus stop limit, which to use and when in Schwab. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to do this, all you gotta do is simply go in your Schwab website. So once you're in Schwab, you need to make sure what a stop versus stop limit is. So a stop order is a market order that triggers at specific price, ensuring execution but without guaranteeing the final sale price, which is idle when getting out is the priority. So a stop limit order combines a trigger price with a limit price as well, which ensures you won't sell for less than your limit, but it does not guarantee a sale if the price moves too quickly past your limit. So you need to use a stop order for price protection in volatile markets or when execution is more important than the exact price. You can use a stop order to protect against large price swings or to a target specific price, accepting the risk that the order may not be filled. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.